What's going on, family? I'm going to take you on a journey on today. I am excited. Today we have one of our master classes that we're doing, and for the church. I do master classes where I'm teaching the media ministry how to effectively post and how effectively to engage people. What's ironic is I'm teaching them how to record reels and how to properly edit it, because this is the thing, y'all. A lot of people believe that you have to have expensive equipment, and the truth of the matter is you don't have to have expensive equipment just to be relevant or to be professional. You don't have to have that. I'm teaching them how to be effective and how to post content on a high level with just the phone. Because I'm gonna tell you this: if you watch a lot of people with skits, what do they use? They use cell phones. So I do this on an everyday basis with the content, reels, making flyers, making thumbnails. So I really wanted to, I'm targeting small to medium-sized churches to help them compete, if you will, for lack of words, compete so that they can produce high quality content and stay relevant in their community. So I'm excited, and I want y'all to take this journey with me on today. I'm doing another vlog. The vlogs have been successful, so I'm doing another vlog. I'm excited, and I'm gonna show you everything. I'm gonna show you everything as much as I can, and I'm about to go get a haircut in a minute, and I'm gonna show you. You're gonna see the good, the bad, the ugly. I'm gonna be raw in this footage. Not this footage, but this vlog. I love you guys to life. Listen, family, let's go get it. Not embarrassed. But one thing that I tell people, especially people that, I talk to or mentor, presentation is so very important. It's so very important. Now I'm starting my day. I told you I'm gonna try to vlog this whole journey with us so you guys can see. But I'm about to go into the barbershop right now. You see it right here. I'm about to go walk into the barbershop. About to get my hair cut. And, your boy look a little rough right now. Y'all, you see it, yeah. Your boy look a little rough. But this is all in what goes into the preparation. Now, I would tell you this, fellas. My brother showed me something years ago. People love clean nails. So I wanted all the men. You're not sassy, go get your nails done. Go. You see that? Y'all see it? Get a little shine on them. Make sure they're clean. I'm gonna tell you this one thing I've discovered. It's horrible for you to show up for, and you're a professional person, right? I'm a preacher, so I want to make sure that my nails are always clean. It's horrible that you show up. Now, fellas, if you like that, I'm not throwing no shade. Just give it a little game. If you show up to a presentation or you show up to something where you are selling a product or you are presenting a service, giving a service, it's not a good look you showing up and your nails is all dirty, right? I know some of y'all fellas, y'all looking at your nails now. Let me do a check. It's all cool in the game, but just giving you some game. But yeah, man, I'm about to get started my day. I'm gonna tell y'all this, chat. This is the first time I've ever did a video while I'm in the chair about to get a haircut. Yeah, so y'all be able to see the little process, man. I'm definitely excited about that. Put a shameless plug, Trimmers and Shears. Y'all see it right there, Trimmers and Shears. It's my cousin's barbershop. Actually, he has 3 locations. He has Academy as well. So if you like, listen, I cut hair. I want to learn and go. But yeah, I'm really excited about this masterclass. I wish I left my stuff at home, but you'll see it. The masterclass is amazing, and I can't wait to get the testimonials so you guys can actually see this. This thing is very, very impactful. So, about to get in the chair. Love you guys. I mean, it's likely, but not like this. Oh wow.
Class.
Yeah, doing a master class for this church.
Okay.
I'm crazy excited about that. There we go, family. We out of here now. It's about time to start the process. I just want to show you guys. I'm just, listen, family, listen. I told you I'm gonna take you along this journey, and we're gonna he never miss. We're here now by the church. We just got here, so I'm pulling up now. Man, listen. I tell people you need to have some good people with you. It's gonna pray with you, help you out. I got the good doctor, Deacon Will with me today. Come on, you gonna talk to the people, Will? There we go.
How you doing, Facebook?
Listen, chat, people are coming in anticipation today, so we're excited to pour into them. So listen, y'all gonna check out the pictures. Check out everything that we have going on. And listen, I want to tell you this. Presentation is everything. Presentation is everything. That's why I took y'all on the journey with me when I got the haircut. Now y'all see it. Y'all see that? He did an amazing job. He never missed. He never misses. So, yeah, we here now. And let me go in here. And I want to get everything unloaded. And so we're going to get everything unloaded. And I'm just excited, chat. I'm just crazy excited about today. Find out where we put everything at so that we can get everything started.
I took Reverend Scott's MasterClass today, and I've learned so much. I've been doing media for a long time at Chapel. Nothing to this extent, but today I've learned more than I've ever known. And I recommend this class to not only to the members of Chapel Grove, but to other churches.
He really showed us how to use the ChatGPT, how to edit the videos, and how we can take our media here at Chapel Grove to the next level. He showed us things that we didn't know about and things that we can improve on.
I really enjoyed Reverend Scott's class that he taught us on how to do better with our media. Since I've just started doing the media in Chapel Grove, he has taught me a lot of things about GPT and how to get other people interested and to bring more people into the church.
We just had a media class by Reverend Scott, and I enjoyed it to the utmost. And I'm glad all our media people should have this, and I'm glad most of us was here. And the one that wasn't here, please attend the next one. I learned a whole lot.
Wow, today was a phenomenal day. We participated, our media team participated in the MasterClass with Reverend Antonio Scott, and I tell you, it is something that I recommend, highly recommend to every pastor that I know for your media team. My team, they received great tools, great nuggets, great insight, and then there was hands-on practice for them to get comfortable with utilizing the new information.
What's going on, family? We finished. Now listen, I'm tired. I really put in that work today. What you think, Deacon Will? Think I put that work in?
Oh, absolutely. Awesome job. Awesome job. A lot of powerful information given.
I appreciate it, man. You think the people were blessed?
Oh, tremendously. I think that they're going to use it and it's going to be very effective with their ministry. I really do.
Yeah, man, I'm excited to bring it to people's churches and help people out. But I told you I was going to let you guys go along with the trip, with the ride. Go to Facebook, look at the pictures. Deacon Will, he took some amazing pictures, man. I really appreciate him being with me. He wanted to say something else.
Hey, Facebook Live, listen up. Let your churches know that this information by Antonio Scott, AOS Inspires, is out there and it's powerful. It will definitely help your Facebook, your media, your social, all that good stuff. Let your churches know. Get in.
Man, I appreciate it, man. Listen, you guys will see the testimonials too. But of course, after we finished serving ministry, we had to go pick up the babies. They done took their bath, about to get into bed, but they said they want to go ride with daddy. There we go. Listen, family, I love you. I'm tired. I did my good talking today too. I am. Put my seatbelt on. I did my good talking today, so I'm tired. And I'll catch y'all later on the next vlog. Let's go.
Let you know, man, you are really encouraging me, motivating me, inspiring me. God is really using you to help me out, bro.